Hi everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel. In this video, we are going to be making some sugar cookies, and what we will need is 12 tablespoons of melted butter, 2.5 cups of flour, some eggs, some white sugar, some vanilla, and some baking powder. And we will need to dump the 2.5 cups of flour into a bowl. And then we will need to put the 12 tablespoons of melted butter in there too. And then we will need 1 cup of white sugar. And I'll just do it this way. Okay, and there's about 1 cup right there. If it's not 100% exact, then that's okay. Then we'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And there is the 1 teaspoon right there. Then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then 2 eggs. And with the eggs, I recommend cracking it on the side like that. So there's crack right there. And then splitting it open like that. Okay. And then we're going to mix all of that together until it is mixed up as good as you can get it. And then once the dough is all mixed up, it should look something like this. And once the cookies are done, they should look like this.